Hi, here is the report that is that have the different issues, and there is the warnings like um, these are the issues that need to be solved quickly or the on high priority, and then there is the medium, and then there are the low. So on high priority, we can help you in all these issues, like these are the related to the URLs, like what, and here is also how to fix all URLs should be um, secure HTTP pages. We will help you out, and then all these you can check the names from here and look into the solutions what you can do by yourself, and we will help you in the remaining. Thank you.